After visiting Little VIPs and talking to Auntie Zenita, we were really relieved that Little VIPs had a systematically stage by stage process to my child's development with homely loving care. After a few weeks of attending school, I noticed a drastic change in her. She easily got accustomed to the school and there was a desire in her to go to school. Well, she used to walk tiptoe most of the time, and that was also fixed by Auntie Zenita and Auntie Menusha. All in all, I would like to take this opportunity to pay my gratitude to Little VIPs Montessori and the team for all the hard work that was individually put into my child over the past 3 years to bring out the best citizen in my child to face the new millennium. Thank you, Little VIPs.
Son Vinuka has grown with VIP for the last 3 years, and we've been so impressed with his development because he's a happy kid. And one thing I must say is he never grumbles when he has to go to school in the morning because he knows he has a lot to look forward to. And we believe that the aunties at school play a big role in motivating them into building their confidence and helping them become imaginative and active. So I believe VIP has given Vinuka a solid foundation in almost all aspects in life.
My name is Malik Edwin. My son is Kian. He made his admission to Little VIPs in the year 2008, and from there onwards we have seen significant improvement in him, and the gratitude and the thanks are to Zenita and her team. And also an important thing that I see is the exposure that they have been given to various religious activities, cultural activities, national events, which also give them insight as to what is happening in the world today. And also it has made them to understand what our culture is. So all that effort is being done by the hard-working teachers, and the kids are being made to feel at home, welcomed. I see them being greeted early morning. So the kids are basically wanting to come to school every day. But what I would like to highlight is, as parents, we know how important it is to have our kids growing up in the way that is respectable and which would bring gratitude to the parents. And as we know today, it's very competitive to put children to school, especially government, semi-government and semi-government schools. But however, I'm proud to say that Kian did extremely well. He got 100 out of 100 marks at his entry-level exam to school, and as parents we are very proud of it, and I'm sure Zenita and her team also could be proud of this achievement. And the offering that they have provided, or the guidance that they are given to Kian, has been excellent. As parents, I have no complaints, and as if I am to say, Zenita and her team have exceeded our expectations, and I am so thankful for her. And by doing so, she has also assured that our second son Jaden also will have his admission to Little VIPs in January next year. Thank you.
I'm here to talk on Diane, his journey to and at Little VIP, his progress and the contribution made by Little VIP towards his development. First, the connection between Diane and Little VIP was not automatic, as he was attending another school when we decided to move him at the age of 3.5. Then selecting a school was done in a more organized and constructive manner. My criterion was safety, security, curriculum, cleanliness, approach of staff, and to see if proper procedures and processes were in place for routine work as well as in an emergency. Yes, I have visited almost all famous and popular schools, up and running in 2009-2010, and the decision was made to enroll Diane at Little VIP. Diane is an intelligent and hardworking child, but being only 3 at the time of joining, he needed guidance to develop and enhance his personality, character, outlook, and identity by interacting with other children at work and play. I am happy to say that Diane, at just 5 this November, has not only acquired the required education through class and practical work, but his independent and his confidence, the personality and character has actually excelled. I think this is due to the continuous effort taken by the school and through frequent updates and meetings with the parents. I'm happy that by working together with the school, we have been able to achieve what we have hoped for my son. Finally, I must add, meeting and greeting the parents and children when entering and leaving school is very pleasant, warm and welcoming. This gives the child the message that Little VIP is a happy place. In concluding, I would like to take this opportunity to wish Little VIP, the directress and all the teachers all the very best. Thank you.
As I walked to Little VIPs, the greeting I got from Zenita and the teachers were just what I was expecting for Kristen. When I saw the children playing and being happy, I knew he had to be in good hands. And for Kristen, the pets around, the fish, the tortoise, the rabbits, the ducks just fascinated him in school. And at the age of 1.5, all he wanted to do was go to school. But as time passed, Zenita educated me about the AMI system and how the whole AMI system works as a foundation to actually build a child's character. She guided me and supported me and taught me how to handle Kristen better and how to teach him at home. And in return, I was a better mom, and Kristen's character just changed. He was able to communicate to the environment, and he was able to communicate with people and at home. He used to help me around when I was cooking. He has a little butter knife and he cuts carrots and beans for me. In the shop, he helps me to spray the flowers, and even when he goes out, even a toffee wrapping, he would put it in the dustbin. So little things, how he connects has come definitely from school and the teaching he has got from school. It's not about just learning ABC or 1, 2, 3. It's the whole personality that has made what Kristen is today. Everywhere I take Kristen, people just get drawn towards Kristen. And the first question they ask me is which school, which Montessori he goes to. So, and Kristen overjoyed. He always shouts and says it's the Little VIPs. So it's from him and the happiness he has got of school, and he's so happy to come to school. Kristen now is in grade 1, and he's exceptional and outstanding from all the others. Teachers are fascinated by him. He can read and he can write and he reads books. I can't even imagine what Kristen has turned out to be today. It's all because of the little VIPs. The character and the education that Kristen has is just unexplainable. He is a true reflection of all the hard work that the school has put in. Let me say by this, God couldn't be everywhere, so He made wonderful, caring, loving teachers as Zenita, Melissa, Menusha, and everyone else at Little VIPs for Christy. Thank you.